we have all the cameras rolling, and this is a little grassy part here, and let's do this. So I have a couple rocks over here, but I don't think I'm going to be able to climb any. This is weird because I have the camera on the controller, so it's going to be pretty weird to actually film, but, and this is like pretty much the second time I've ever done this. So it's different from rock crawling to actual, like, it's totally different. As you can tell, let me fix the camera. Those aren't the only rocks I have. I'll show you the other rocks right here. Pick it up. Let's go down the hill. I'm probably gonna have to constantly fix the front camera, but it's okay. I mean, it's not too bad. And there's the other rocks. On these rocks, I did it yesterday. I could actually go faster than this, but since it's actually rock crawling, I'm gonna go a little slower. And before this video, I actually made a little course here. Sorry. There we go. Fix the camera again. There we go. It's probably going to be stuck now. All normal, there's no upgrades on it yet. Don't know what I'm going to do to it first. The guys there at the Pegasus Hobby said to do the steering change, the links, front links, and then the like lockouts and the hubs and stuff like that. So I guess I'm going to listen to them, and well, after it breaks. So whenever it breaks, I'll get aluminum. Oh, knocked over. I got a nickel metal in there. It's a 6 cell, and I've been using it for a while before this video, so I might have to go change my thing in a couple minutes once it's done. And then I have it on 50% drag brake. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. And so far, it's doing pretty good on these rocks. I mean, this isn't even too bad of what I'm gonna do it on. I'm gonna do it on like actual like path with only rocks, you know. I think I can do this one. There we go. It's harder than normal driving. Like my Slash, if you look at my Instagram post, I actually did rock crawling with my Slash. It was a little while back. It was the same place. I was just running my Slash straight through. So, I mean, it's a pretty good place. I mean, it's not too bad. And I kind of fixed it a little bit. It wasn't this weird. Like, I put some rocks on top of the other rocks and made it different. So, looks like a rock jumper though. Ah. going a little faster now. That's full speed, so let's do this. I'll do a front wheelie right now. Nope, wait. I'll do it right now. No front wheelie. This is my dad's little like farm, kinda. It's a little destroyed, but he makes these little squash. Look, that's their little like squash. There's some big ones right there, and then it's like a lettuce, but from like Argentina, kinda. So that's there, and so yeah, and if you could see that, I changed the head to one of the other ones that comes with, but I painted it. So yeah, I already did all that stuff. So it's more of a pimped out when I ride, and then I have to hot glue some accessories to it, but I haven't done that yet. So. Ooh, where did the camera go? Oops, lost the camera somewhere around here. That's not good. Pretty sure that was pretty good footage. Now I just lost the camera. Gonna look for the camera, but came through here, all the way over here. No camera. Oh wait, duh, probably inside. Yeah, it's inside. It's right there. Let me get it out real quick. We're on the street right now, so let's do that. Again, he's flipping over. Get up the curb here. Let's use that cap. Ooh, that smells so good. Some mud over here. Let's go that way. Yeah. Wow. That's a lot of power. I'm gonna have this bad boy scratched up in a while. This roll cage takes all the damage anyways. That's only one battery. I have 3 more, so, and 2 of them are 7 cells. Oh, by the way, they're nickel metals. So I got 2 7-cell nickel metals, and the nickel metals are they're from my tracks, from my Stampede and my Slash. So for you guys that are wondering how I get to connect my Traxxas to my batteries, my Traxxas to my sorry, for you guys that are wondering how I connect my Traxxas batteries to my to my Tamiya plug that's on the actual car. What's it called? I have 2 Tamiya batteries, and then I have an adapter because my charger that I have, my 45-minute charger for my nickel metals are 75 Tamiya plugs. So I had to get an adapter for my Traxxas plugs. So that's what I did, and then now I can use that adapter to connect to this car to connect to my Traxxas batteries. So, and this is the neighbor's yard, but it's all good. Oh, body roll completely. There's no mercy when it comes to body roll. Oops. Sorry, let me fix the camera right here. There we go. Oh, you know what? What I noticed is that body roll is complete because I was using it inside on my wood floors, which was the last time because I can't use it anymore since the wheels are now dirty. And it has a lot of body roll on the... It almost flipped over there. Just by... Woo! Looking good. I like the color. I didn't know that it was sparkly, but it actually does look really cool. Ah, I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm gonna stop doing that because now I'm just finished scratching my body. Not my body, my roll cage. Oh my god! When I say to stop, and I keep going, it's not working. And that's gonna break my wings. Oh, big jump. Okay, we're gonna do a little course here. We're gonna go straight through the trash cans. Agility. Agility. There we go. Let's line. Oh, this is a little tight. Made it. We made it. So that's pretty good. What we're gonna do is put a long rock right here. Oops, that's not good. Camera went bye-bye again. This camera's a little crappy. Let's pick up the truck. I'm gonna see if I can climb this. Nice. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to get up there. Just flip over. That's almost 90 degrees. That is almost 90 degrees.